going to talk about two important things. One is the don't care. So even name is don't care, but we'll care about this. And second is the function realization from truth table. Means if you have a truth table available with you and you have made a truth table, then how to make a function from that truth table. And we'll see one exercise as well where you make the truth table. While we'll give one question and you will prepare the truth table as well. Right. So these all things we'll do in today's lecture. So let's first talk about don't care. So there are many scenarios when particular type of input is never available or a set of input will never available. Now you can say how it is possible. So for example, you have taken age as into the consideration. Now in case of age, is it is possible like you will get negative age. Like age is minus 20 years, age is minus 30 years, age is minus 40 years. That is not possible, at least in the real scenario, right? So in that case, suppose if we take example of your Python or Java, let's say Java, so you are taking integer for that. So instead of taking integer, which is signed integer, we can take unsigned integer as well. Because you already know we do not have negative values. So once you take unsigned integer, then automatically your range will be doubled in positive side, not right. So in that case, if you are aware about the inputs, that particular type of input will not available, then you can take a particular action over there. That will helpful for you can say to make more efficient program. Now similar thing happen in the digital system as well. If you know that particular set of input will never occur in the system, will never come into the system, then those kind of input sets will treat as a don't care set. Or you can say the respective output will go as a don't care output. Why we are saying don't care? Because we already know that these particular set of input will never come into the picture, will never occur into the system. Now, so the same thing here, like input values for min terms which will never occur, that will known as a don't cares, right? Now how we'll represent those don't cares? We'll represent by x. Once we'll see a few examples, then you will understand much better. Now let's look into this example. We already know BCD codes, right? Now if you say BCD codes, we have 4-bit in hand. In case of BCD code, we have 4-bit in hand, right? So in that case, suppose you said, I want to represent bits in the form of A, B, C, D, let's say, right? So means you have 4-bit. So suppose if you want to represent, let's say here we have number, if you want to represent 1, so you'll say, sorry, if you want to represent 0, so it will be 0, 0, 0, 0. So means bit A will become 0, B will become 0, C will become 0, D will become 0. Similarly, if you want to represent 9, you will say 1, 0, 0, 1. Now, I want to use this entire coding to represent my system. Getting? Now, what beautiful thing here, guys, please mute your mic if you don't want to speak. If you want to speak something, then it's fine. Okay. Now, if we have 4-bit values, then 1, 0, 1, 0. This is also possible as input. If you say how many possible inputs with this 4-bit combination, then you have 16 possible inputs. Out of 16, we are using only 10, 0 to 9. But if you say value 10, that is 1010, we never use in the BCD system. Similarly, you say 1011, that will also we are not using into the BCD system. Right? Similarly, you can say 1100, that will also not use into the BCD system. Because if you want to represent, let's say 11, so in that case, you will not utilize this. What you will do, you will make 0001, 0001. So ultimately, if you look into the BCD system, is there any chance these set of inputs these set of inputs will come into this particular BCD system. Is there any chance? What do you think? Is they will come into the system or not? Anyone? At least say yes, no. I don't know.
Don't know, sir.
Don't know, sir.
Right. So in that case, let's take example here. Same example. Suppose I am saying I have A, B, C, D. These are the 4 bits that we have used in the combination of 8421 coding. This is also known as BCD coding, if you remember. Now, suppose you want to represent 99 in the BCD. So how you will write 1001, 1001. This is representing 99. Suppose you want to represent 85, then what you will do? You will say 10000101. Now suppose you want to represent 11. In that case, you'll say 0001, 0001. Right? Now, if I want to write all the combination that you can make with 4-bit, because ultimately you are using 4-bit here. Right, so if you make all the combination, you will say 0000, 0001, 0010, 0011, 0100, 0101, 0110, 0111, 101. Right, so these all combination you can make with 4-bit. Any doubt on this? How this combination comes into the picture? Any doubt how we have written this combination? Anyone?
No, sir.
No.
Right, so we have these 16 combination. Now if we say this BCD system, out of these 16 combination, how many combination will come into the picture? Those will be used to represent the entire BCD till this 0 to 9. Now because with 4-bit you can represent 16 combination, but only these 10 combination have been used. In that case, what will happen to remaining these 6 combination? Is these 6 combination will come into the picture while we are representing in BCD? Any case? Can you give any way so that we can utilize these combination in BCD system, where BCD is represented like this? Is there any chance so that we can utilize these input combination?
So if we are representing signed number,
Then also they will not come into the picture. Then you will represent extra bit, but ultimately BCD will represent in the same way. If you say number, then they will come into the same way. I am talking about BCD representation, that is 8421 coding. So suppose you are saying I have a number 100. In that case, you will say 0001, 0000, 0000. Suppose I want to represent 12. So then what you will do in BCD? 0001, 0010. You will not use this 12. This combination will not be used. What will be used? This combination will be used. So in short, you can say these set of combination will never occur in the system. Got my point? What I want to tell. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Anyone, any doubt on this? Why these are not coming into the picture? Anyone? The reason behind why they will never occur in the system.
सर सारे 2 डिजिट 1 डिजिट से तो बनते हैं सर, तो 1 डिजिट यूज हो ही रहे हैं.
राइट, 1 डिजिट तो हम ले ही रहे हैं, सो 2 डिजिट की हमें नीड नहीं है. राइट, क्योंकि what we are doing here, we are taking this BCD representation, not binary representation. We are taking BCD coding for that. Once you say BCD coding, we already have 1 bit representation, 1 number representation, and we make the combination of that. So in that case, we already know, we have prior information that these set of inputs will never occur in the system. So the respective output for this system will become don't care. And these will represented by X while we'll try to optimize. Any doubt why these are don't care, first of all? Then we'll see how to utilize this don't care. Any doubt on this?
No, sir.
Cool. So while we design the system, if we are sure like particular set of inputs will never occur in the system, then we can utilize them as don't care. Now you can say how to utilize them. So let's look into one example. Suppose we have this system, this function is given to me, and here these are the minterms. It means these are the places where we have ones. And we are saying we have 3 don't cares. Don't cares means 1, 4, 6 will never come into the picture. Means that these particular set of inputs will never occur into the system. So you can say these are the don't cares. So let's understand how to utilize this don't care. So first I'm using only this, and then in the second step we'll utilize this don't care. So let me draw. So can you make a function for this? So try at your end as well. Try to make a function for this using Kmap. So please try to solve at your end as well. So just draw a Kmap, feed these values. So it is A, B, C, D, A bar, B bar. Now I want to fill these values just only once. Right now I'm not worried about don't care. So 0, 1, 2, 3. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Cool. Right? So we have this system. Now how you will make pair and quad here? Can anyone solve it? Anyone try to solve it? So we have one quad available here, one quad available here.
And pair.
सर पेयर बना देते हैं.
If we have quad, then we will not make pair, because if you make pair, you have one extra literal. If you make quad, you have lesser literal. For this, definitely I will make a pair. Sorry. So if you are able to make quad, go for quad. Don't go for the pair. Right. So let me give the numbering so that we can find out. So this is your first, this is your second, and this one is your third, so that we can write function. So what will be the function for first? AB
plus AD
plus AD plus this one B bar CD.
B bar CD.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Right. So we got this expression. Now I'm saying I want to utilize these don't cares. So let me draw another K-map so that we can clearly get the difference. So let me fill everything quickly here. BCD. So let me first fill all ones. So we have one here. One. Now I want to fill this don't care and they will fill by X. So they are saying position 1. I'm saying position 1. Then position 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. In position 4, 5, 6. They said like this. Right. Now, how to utilize them? So first of all, these positions, these X will be utilized to make bigger combination if it is possible, right? So how we can do it? Let me do it for you quickly. Let me do it. So here we have a
सर जो
quad.
दूसरा एक्स है वो 1 और 1 के बीच में नहीं आएगा
कौन सा?
सेकंड लाइन
So
में फोर्थ एक्स है वो थर्ड पोजीशन पे आएगा ना
4, 5, 6, 7.
ओके
4, 5, 6, 7.
सब फर्स्ट पोजीशन वाला कह रहा है वो
ये है ना 4.
1 भी तो है 1
1
पे
तो
भी
ये
तो
लिख
है
दिया ना, ये लिख दिया ना 1, 0, 1,
अच्छा 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 अच्छा
3. 1 पे X
हाँ,
बना है ना. Getting? So now previously what we was able to do, we was able to make this pair only. But as don't care is available, so what we can do, we can utilize it and make a quad for this. Right? Now, do we really need these don't cares? No, we do not need, because if you utilize them, then they are not going to optimize because no ones are available. So important point, they are supporting element. They are not compulsory element that we need to, you can say, take care. They are just supporting element. If they help us to make better combination, like you can increase the size of pair, like either instead of pair you can make quad or instead of quad you can make octet, then only we'll utilize them. If they are remain all alone, means there is no one's left right now, so then these combination or these X will not be useful for us. Only this X is useful for us. Getting? So it is not compulsory that you need to cover these X. No, these are just supporting element. If they are supporters to optimize the function, then only we'll utilize. Otherwise, we left them. Getting? So now let us write the function. So here 1x is helpful for us because previously we have made a pair, but now with the help of this x we can make a quad here. So if now let's write the function. So for simplicity, let me write this: a bar b bar, a bar b, a b, a p bar, c bar, d bar, c bar d, c d, c d bar. So what will be the function? Can anyone tell? So definitely AB will be there from previous. Then this quad is also there. One more important point. One more important point. Look into the second combination. This quad, what we have made. Okay, just give me a minute.
AD
Just give me a minute.
A
Look into
bar
this.
D
Look into this quad, that square one. This one. Is this quad is possible?
no sir no sir
No, sir.
Right? So we do not need this. Actually, we do not need this because all ones are already covered. So this quad doesn't have a single one which is not covered by other. In that case, this quad is not required, right? So if we do not require this quad, then why unnecessary will keep it. So let us remove this quad. Yeah. Getting. So now you have a function AB plus
B bar D.
B bar D. Now you can compare. Once you use this X, we have not used this don't care, then our function was AB plus AD plus B bar CD. Now once you use only one single X, that we already aware that will never occur in the system, so we can utilize it. So then we make a quad and we have this function. So which one is more optimized? Clearly the second one. Getting? Got the point how this don't care is useful for optimization of the function. Right? Any doubt, guys? Anyone?
No, sir.
Anyone? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Right. Okay. One more thing that I want to tell you. Suppose by let me take different color. Suppose color combination. Yellow try करते हैं. Suppose by chance we have made a combination. दिखेगा? दिखे. चलो black से. Okay. Suppose we have by chance, by mistake, you have made this. You have made this. You have made this, and definitely this one. Where again we have three quads. So then this is not also optimized fun, because as we have seen, we can make it with two quads only. We can solve it with two quads only. So that you have to keep in mind. Whatever minimum function is there, that so there is no compulsion to cover these x. So we are not worried about this one. Getting? So
सर क्यों नहीं बना सकते सर इसमें मतलब ये वाला क्वाड?
because we are not able, like we will have then three quads, and once we have three quad, you will have 6 literals.
पर उसके हिसाब से मतलब जो आपने बताया था उसमें तो 16, 8, 4, 2 फिर 1, तो सर उस हिसाब से तो सर बढ़िया है ना सर अपने लिए, अगर अपन 4 क्वाड मिला दें.
अगर हमारे पास 2 क्वाड से काम हो रहा है तो हम तीसरा क्वाड क्यों लेके आएंगे? That's the reason. In this current case, we required only 2 quad. So why we unnecessarily introduce third quad here? Getting? Got it or not?
Yes sir, yes sir.
अगर हमारा काम 2 रुपए में बन रहा है, so why we'll introduce third rupee? क्यों हम इन्वेस्ट करेंगे तीसरा जब हमारा काम तो 2 में ही हो रहा है, right? So that's the reason. Getting any doubt, guys? Anyone? Any doubt in this example?
सर वो एक बार वो है एडी वाला जो क्वाड था वो वाला बता दो, वो क्यों नहीं बनाया, मतलब जो एडी वाला जो था.
Right. So okay, so let me first make it, then you will understand. So you are saying why we have not made this quad, right?
ये वाला, yes sir.
So just check out this quad. Is there any one is available which is not covered by other?
No sir.
In that case, the condition is
Yes.
false. Getting?
Okay sir.
At least one should be there that is not covered by other.
Okay sir.
Got it? So let me erase. Okay. So just try to solve this at your end. Try to solve this. I will also solve, but you will solve at your end as well. So we have given a function along with the don't care and we will try to solve this with the don't care and find out the final output. So we are saying A bar, B bar, A bar, B. कोई कर रहा है सॉल्व?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, now let us fill the information. So 2, 4, 10, 12, 14. And what are the don't cares? It's 0, 1, 5, and 8. So how many quads, how many pairs?
Sir,
Sir,
one
two
quad
quads,
and
one pair.
2 quads, 1 pair. I think all quads is there, no pair required.
Only two
Rethink.
quads.
Only 2 quads.
so two
Yes,
quads
sir.
and one pair, I guess.
Three quads, sir.
I think 3 quads required at least.
3 quads हो जाएंगे, corners वाले हो
Right.
जाएंगे.
Exactly. All corners are also there, na? So you can utilize them to make the quad. So let me make it so that you'll also. So first of all, let me take all the corners, right? Then you can say I have this, and then you can say I have this. What it? Any doubt on this? Anyone? How we
Sir,
have
why
made
not?
this part?
Sir, why not 0145? That one is also a quad.
But why it is required? We are not worried about X. We are worried about 1. Even if you make 0145, that is also fine. That is also fine. No problem on that. So instead of as you said, instead of this, you can make this as well.
So we can take either of them, not both.
Yes, both is not possible, because then suppose now you make this one, that long rectangular form, then no single one is available that is not covered by other.
Sir,
Sorry,
Yes.
sir, I didn't
Sir.
understand.
Okay. Just give me a minute. By chance, suppose you have made this quad. Now check this quad. Is there any single one which is not covered by other? This is also covered. This is also covered. So this one is covered by this, and this one is covered by this. So you do not have any single one which is not covered by other. In that case, this quad is not possible. Getting? So you have choice. Either you make this or you make this.
Yes, sir, yes, I got it.
Got it?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, the conditions which you apply on the ones is also applicable on X. मतलब, it must be an independent or
No.
not come in X.
X is always supporting.
So it may become in twice or thrice. That is not.
No problem. That can come anytime. So here our target to cover all ones. If X are supporting to make bigger set, then they will be utilized. But there is no compulsion to cover those X. X is always supporting element. Getting? They are not compulsory element that we need to take care. Got it? One we need to take care because that is part of the function. Those which are part of the function, they must need to take care. But those which are don't care, they are help us to further optimize. They are not part of the function. They are help us to further optimize the function to make a bigger set. Getting? Any doubt, guys, till now?
No, sir.
Cool. So now what will be the function in that case?
A bar, C bar.
A bar, C bar, A bar, C bar,
Plus
AD bar.
A bar, C bar
Yes, sir.
कहाँ से आया? A bar, C bar कहाँ से आया यार? मुझे तो दिख ही नहीं रहा A bar, C bar. Okay, you are using this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So then I have to modify it. Just a minute, otherwise these two combination should not work out. So in that case, this combination we have made, right? So A bar, C bar from this square. What about this? A, D bar.
D bar.
And what about in all corners? B bar,
D bar,
D
D
bar.
bar.
Right. Now, suppose we have another don't care and that is in the place of 6 by chance. If you have this don't care, so means we will put this here. Now what you will do?
Sir, one C bar, D bar is also there.
Sorry,
सर 2 quad बन जाएंगे सर
why 2 quads? Why
एक
not
octet
octet?
octet
Single
octet,
octet is good enough, right? Single octet is good enough because you will take this entire and done. Ready? Okay, cool. So you got the idea. What is the story here? Now let us move forward and let's look into the second important point, that is the function realization. Any doubt on don't care? How to use them?
No,
How
sir.
to find
Clear.
them? That yes? Clear?
Clear.
I hope.
Clear, sir.
Cool. Great. Now let's talk about function realization. So suppose for a particular you can say for particular operation or particular task you have made your truth table, means you have made your design in the form of truth table. Okay, if this input will be there, that final output will be this one, right? So you have made this table. Now I want to make function for this, right? I just want to make function for this. In that case, you can simply say we can use K-map to make the function for this. So how to use the K-map? Let me draw K-map for you quickly and we'll fill the information. Right. So for quick reference, let me give the numbering 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So X bar, X, Y bar, Z bar, Y bar, Z, Y, Z, Y, Z bar. Can we fill these numbers here? So you have to fill all the places where 1 are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. Okay. So now, can we make any pair here? Any quad? Any possibility? Do we have any possibility to make a pair or quad?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So if we do not have any possibility, then we have to go with the singletons. Right. So then you will make a function that is, So let's look into first this, then this. One by one we can go for it. X, Y bar, Z bar plus X bar, Y bar, Z plus this one X, Y, Z, then plus X bar, Y, Z bar, X bar, Y, Z bar.
तो x बार होगा वहाँ पे सर लास्ट में, आप लगाना भूल गए.
Right, thank you. So now we got this function from here. Now let's look into this table. Is there any special thing in table? Just look into this table and find out some special thing is going on. Something special. Some special characteristic of this table. Okay, just
Yes, sir.
count number of
Sir.
ones. Yeah. Yes.
सर मतलब ऊपर वाले जो फर्स्ट रो है तो उसमें सारे जीरोस हैं, तो लास्ट वाली रोज में सारे 1 है. और अगर सेकंड लास्ट रो की बात करें तो उसमें 2 1 है, तो ऊपर वाली में 2 जीरोस है, फिर एक
वो
वन.
तो ठीक है. I'm not talking about this side. I'm talking about this entire table, like output. Any special thing in the output? So that is the obvious way. Like once you have 3-bit number. Yes.
सर एक नंबर दूसरे कॉम्प्लीमेंट आ रहा है.
In every column
Yes,
there
sir.
are 1s and 4 zeros.
कॉम्प्लीमेंट है सर एक दूसरे का, अगर 0 से 7 में देखें तो.
Are you sure?
सर अगर 2 1 आ रहे हैं तो सर मतलब नंबर ऑफ अगर वंस ऑड है तो फिर वो 0 दे रहा है.
Yes, exactly. This is the absolutely correct answer. That is the special thing here. If you have number of ones odd, then the output is 1. If your number of ones are even, then output is 0. Just cross check. Just count here number of ones in the input and check the output. Can we get it? Look at like last. Number of ones are odd, output is 1. Number of ones are even, output is 0. And so on. And this particular special variety of function is known as even parity check. It is even parity. And this is heavily used in the security system. Whenever you send some data from one place to another place, in order to check the integrity of data, correctness of data, this even parity check is used. Similarly, odd parity check is also used somewhere. Now, let's look into this function, this particular function, and let's try to optimize this or look into some different ways. So I am taking this and this together, like x term together and x bar together. So once we say x bar, what we'll get? Y bar z plus y z bar plus x y bar z bar plus y z. Now, if I want to give this a different value, let's say I want to give this as a t. What is this? If it is t, if this is t, then this is t bar? Can we say this is t bar?
No, sir.
This is x
Yes,
bar.
sir.
This is
No,
XOR
sir.
gate.
No
And
sir,
this
no
is
sir.
X NOR gate. Okay, so let me do it for you quickly. So I have y bar z plus y z bar, and if I'm taking the complement of this, so you will get y plus z dot y plus z bar dot y bar plus z. Getting? Now let's multiply them together, or you can say taking. So you will get y bar will rid of plus yz plus y bar z bar plus z bar. This will gone, this will gone. We'll have only this. Check out. Is this both are same?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
means
sir.
you can say if it is t, this is t bar. And if you check out, this is your XOR gate and this is your XNOR gate. If you remember, and they are complement to each other, right? So let me use this T and say X bar T plus X T bar. What is this function? It is XOR. If you look
Yes,
into
sir.
this function, this is
XOR.
XOR, right? So you can
Yes.
say X XOR T. Now I'm looking for T. What is T? Y XOR Z. So if you look into this function, it is Y XOR Z. Okay, so let me write T here for you. Y bar Z plus Y Z bar. What is this? Y XOR Z. So in short, you can say it is X XOR Y XOR Z. This is your function. And this function is used for event parity check. Got it? Any doubt on this? Anyone? Any particular place? Guys, any doubt?
No, sir. Clear. No, sir.
Cool.
No, sir.
Good, good. Now, 7 segment display की photo कहाँ गई? Okay, let me draw the 7 segment display. Okay. 7 segment display. So if you remember your calculator, that calculator has 7 segments. Have you checked it out anytime? It's something like this. थोड़ा सा और close बनाना चाहिए था.
नहीं सर आ गया.
समझ में तो आ जाना चाहिए. A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So these are the 7 segments A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? And based on that, you are representing a number. So you can say these A, B, C, D, E, F, G, these are the LEDs that will glow. So once you will represent a number, respective LED will glow, right? So now let me write. So I'm saying LED will go means output will come into the picture. So I will say A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Now I want to represent, so let me say what number, I want to represent 0. So in that case, which LEDs will glow, which will not glow? If these are all LEDs.
No one will glow, sir.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? तो 0 दिखेगा कैसे?
तो
How
सर
we can
0 0 0 तो सर सारे 0 जाएंगे ना.
So
Action
then
वाला लग गया
nothing
ना
will display. Nothing will display. So suppose you want to display 0 into the, you can say your calculator, then
X
respective LED should be glowing. So in that case, your G will not glow, rest all will glowing. Then only you can see the 0 into the picture, or you can say into the calculator. Just think on calculator, those lines in the calculator are LEDs. Which line are glowing based on like which number you want to represent based on those LEDs are glowing. Suppose you want to represent 1. In that case, your B and C will glow, rest nothing will glow. So this and this will glow, rest nothing will glow. Then only you can see the 1. Suppose you are seeing 2. So how you will represent 2? Yes. So this is glowing.
Yes, sir. FAB, GEC.
GED.
D. Why, sir? D?
Okay, let me. I think I had made some wrong picture. That's why this confusion is coming. I should make more proper picture. This will not be. Let's we'll see the actual. Oh, sorry. Okay, now I'm giving the number A. This is B. This is C. This is D, E, F, and G. Now, in case of 2, what will glow, what will not glow? Let's forget about this. Yes, anyone?
So FAB,
A,
B, G, E, D.
A, B, G, E, D.
Yes.
Right. So A, B, G, E, and D will glow. These two will not glow. Similarly, you can go up to 9. Suppose I want to represent 9. So actually 9 is representing like this in our
E will
calculator.
off.
Right. So F, E, and D will off. Remain all will be okay. So if you want to represent 9, so F will be
so
off,
F,
D will.
so
F तो
F
होगा
will
सर.
also glow, sir. F will glow
Sorry,
होगा ना?
sorry. F will glow.
E
Yes,
will only.
definitely. F.
Sir, only E will not glow, sir.
Only
नहीं,
E will not glow. E and D
हाँ
yes
both.
sir. No sir,
हाँ वो अपना अपना
D
सब
भी glow
कैलकुलेटर
होगा.
पे डिपेंड करता है ना वो तो E और D वाला तो.
Yes, true. So suppose someone is written like this, then D will glow. If someone is written like this, then D will not glow. So just check out how it is representing. Based on that, you can decide D will glow or not. Right? So in that way, you are able to make the entire truth table here for 7-segment display. Right? So let me what is the time? Okay, we already overstood. So we can simply say, suppose I am going with this, let's say. So we are saying this one, C will be also 1, D will be 0, E will be 0, F will be 1, and G will be 1. So in that way, you can represent all the numbers, right? Now, you can say what will be the input? Let me say X, W, X, Y, Z as the input for this. So we are saying the input for this is W, X, Y, and Z. Now these are the binary values 0, 0, 0, 1, sorry 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, and so on. You will get 0, sorry 1, 0, 1, 0. So these are the inputs and these are the outputs, right? Now what you will do in order to make this function, so you have, let me say you have a black box function where we have 4 inputs W, X, Y, and Z, and we have 7 outputs, right? 7 outputs A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, right? In this 7 output, you have function. So what you will do, first you will pick first output, you will make a K map for this, right? So this is the K map for A, and you will get a function A equal to function of W, X, Y, and Z, right? Then similarly you will do for B, F of W, X, Y, and Z. In that way you will get all the functions, and then that combination of function will club together, and that will become your final function. Now one more last point, just give me 1 minute only. One last point. While you are realizing this function, you can find out after 9 this will remaining input will never occur in the system. So we can say remaining input 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So it should be 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, and so on 1, 1, 1, 1. they are become don't care for you. So we can utilize this don't care while you are making function of a, b, c, d, e, f, g. Getting? So in that way, you can make a 7-segment display. Got it, everyone? I hope you got some idea. Guys, any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
Cool. So rest remain. So we'll do few more, little bit more practice. How once we have multiple functions as in the output, how we'll utilize the K-map and make the entire functionality available for us. Okay, guys. Okay, so that's it for today. I'm already overshooting the time.